Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we are apartment hunting in New York City. Today, our price range is between $3,500 to $4,000. And our location is going to be in Manhattan, around Central Park, and around Sunnyside, where you see right here.
Okay.
Alright, so our first location is around Midtown Manhattan, and it was only posted 1 hour ago, so this is totally fresh on the market. It is $39.10 a month, and it's a studio location. Looks like it was staged very, very nicely. Alright, so very nice windows, large. Alright, and so we have a floor plan. Wow, great modernized kitchen. Looks very, very cool. So this is your bathroom, and wow, this is the main floor of the building. Very, very nice. Alright, so here is like the games room, just lounge area, your fitness space, and more of the lounge area. Wow, actually that might be on the higher floor. Alright, and you have the rooftop. Now this is next level. That's amazing. So all of this comes included with your $3,910 a month. It is a studio space. Would you share this with someone? Possibly. Alright, so our next one was only posted 4 hours ago, and this is $4,000 a month. It's 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and we're starting off in the washroom. Very, very cool. Alright, so it looks like we're having some renovations here, but the size of the space looks very, very nice. Windows, really cool too, and you have a pot light up top. Alright, so very lengthy and like long, so you get a nice long living room. This is the kitchen area, kind of like an open concept. Very nice main door. And this is possibly the bedroom or living space. Another angle. Your washroom. And another angle of the washroom as well. Very, very huge space. This is so cool. Comment below if you are watching from New York City and if you have a place that's similar to this, and if you are sharing or if you prefer being by yourself. Alright, so our next place is $38.90 a month. It's 1 bed, 1 bath. Very nice kitchen we have here. Very nice layout. Wow, awesome. Alright, living room, very nicely staged. Like the wallpaper might be textured as well. Great washroom. Here's the outdoor area, indoors. Wow, great photos, nice space. Whoa, great views even from the gym area. Nice indoor pool. Kids place. Wow, now this is a nice spot. 1 bed, 1 bath for $38.90. All right, and let's see where we are specifically. We are on the Upper East Side, so yes, definitely gonna be a little more expensive, but it's 100 on the walk score and 100 on the transit score, so you know you're gonna have good accessibility to a lot of things. So that's really cool. Comment below if you prefer having roommates in your space or if you prefer living by yourself, even if it's more expensive. If you want to see a specific place for yourself, and we could possibly do a video right on that too. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.